Hello world, this is Randomfix, and today I'm going to show you how you can inspect the rear main seal on your vehicle to make sure that it's not leaking. This happens to be on a Mercedes Sprinter, and we're going to be using a simple little creeper like this, and we're going to crawl underneath to make sure that the rear main seal is not leaking. And we do have this up on some little ramps here that gives us the clearance we need to really move around. And during the video, I'm going to share with you guys some tips that you should watch out for. So we're underneath the vehicle. We've got a little inspection light here, just so we can see what's going on. And as you look underneath, you can see that this right here is going to be the transmission pan. And right in front of the transmission pan is going to be the engine. And if you see right there, there's a little black cover. You see that right there? The one I'm touching with the light? That's actually the peephole for the engine, and through there you can actually inspect to see if the vehicle is leaking through the rear main seal. What I did is actually remove that cover, and with that cover removed, what you can do is you can kind of take your hand and feel inside that little peephole there and to see if it's wet. This is actually a 2018, so it's pretty brand new. It's definitely not going to have a leak. However, if you're purchasing a vehicle that has about 100,000 miles plus, you definitely want to take a look at this. And while you're down here, you might want to inspect other things such as the oil pan. And this is the oil pan right here. And this is the oil level sensor right here. So you want to make sure that none of this stuff around here is leaking. And as well as inspect the rack and pinion system, because all these things are very costly to replace, and having a clean and oil-free car is definitely going to make other components such as the alternator last longer. So the less oil you have flinging everywhere, the less heat buildup you're going to get. And for staying tuned until the end of the video, in case you're having an oil leak come up, I'm going to show you guys what I like to use that could help you definitely pinpoint the leak. One thing I did want to point out is you want to make sure that this cover is always put back into place, because if this is not in, gravel and rocks will get into there, and the flywheels in there could potentially cause premature damage. So you want to make sure this is popped in. Guys, so if you're having a hard time actually detecting where the leak is, this stuff really helps. This is UV dye, and you can put it into your engine oil, transmission oil, power steering. And when you put this stuff in, you get yourself a UV light and some yellow tinted glasses. And after driving the vehicle for a little while, you're going to notice a nice glow wherever the vehicle is actually leaking. So definitely keep this in mind when you're looking to possibly consider purchasing a vehicle, especially with the vehicle prices these days. You want to make sure that you do this and you do a good job of inspecting the vehicle. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them below. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash on that notification bell, and give it a like if it helped you. Thanks again. Have a fantastic day, and check the links below for anything that I use in the video, including this. Have a great day. Bye. Hit the subscribe button, and I really appreciate your continued support.